Amidst the harshest weather, the two men struggled to find their way to a forest shelter. Fortunately, just after escaping the storm, they stumbled upon a secret bunker hidden beneath a 20-centimeter layer of snow. He began digging down to explore the shelter. Inside, the bunker was compact but spacious enough for two people. Remarkably, they discovered a fireplace and a small kitchen, invaluable assets during the freezing winter. To ensure they stayed warm in the days ahead, he immediately ventured into the forest to find and chop suitable firewood. He hauled the wood back to the bunker, stacking it into a small stockpile. But would this meager supply of firewood be enough to help them withstand the bitter cold to come? And what other secrets might this hidden bunker hold?